Hello students, let's start with exercise 10.2 straight lines class 11. First question, write the equations for x and y axis. So when we talk of x axis, as you can see on this graph, x axis पे at any point that we take, the value of y is 0. So we can say that equation of x axis can be written as y is equal to 0. क्योंकि x एक्सिस पे किसी भी पॉइंट पे y की वैल्यू 0 होती है. So the equation of x axis is y equal to 0. Now let's talk about the y axis. Equation of y axis. y axis पे अगर हम कोई भी पॉइंट लें तो उस पॉइंट पे x की वैल्यू 0 होती है. Therefore we can say that equation of y axis is x is equal to 0. क्योंकि y एक्सिस पे कहीं पे भी x की वैल्यू इज 0. So that is the equation of y axis. Question number 2. Passing through the point -4, 3 with slope half. So we have to write the equation of the line जो कि एक पॉइंट -4, 3 से पास हो रही है और जिसका स्लोप हाफ है. We know that the equation of a line can be given as y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So this is the point slope form of the line. यहाँ पे point y1 and x1 is given to us and the slope m is also given to us. तो y1 है हमारा 3, x1 है -4 and slope m is given as half. So putting these values in the equation, y minus 3 is equal to half, that is the slope, into x minus -4. Or we can write y minus 3 is equal to half into x plus 4, cross multiplying 2y minus 6, 2 multiplying with y minus 3, that is 2y minus 6 is equal to x plus 4. Or we can write it as x minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line which is passing through this point with this slope. Question number 3. Equation of the line passing through 0, 0 with slope m. तो अभी हमने point slope form of line देखा था, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. अगर हमें एक पॉइंट और स्लोप पता है तो उससे पासिंग एनी लाइन की इक्वेशन इज गिवन बाय दिस. सो वी कैन राइट y माइनस y1 यहाँ पे 0 है इज इक्वल टू स्लोप m है इंटू x माइनस 0 और y इज इक्वल टू mx. तो अगर कोई लाइन 0, 0 से पास होती है और उसका स्लोप m है देन इट्स इक्वेशन इज गिवन एज y इज इक्वल टू mx. Question number 4. Passing through 2, 2 root 3 and inclined with the x-axis at an angle of 75 degree. So if we have to use the point slope form, we know y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. तो यहाँ हमें slope directly नहीं दिया. We know that the value of slope can be given as tan of that angle. So this will be tan 75. So first let's find out the value of tan 75 and then we'll put it in the equation. Tan 75 को हम लिख सकते हैं tan of 45 plus 30. क्योंकि 75 डिग्री के trigonometric ratios हमें उतने known नहीं है, but we easily know 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So 75 can be written as 45 plus 30. And using the formula, we know tan of x plus y. This is given as tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y. So इसको यहाँ पे अगर हम use करेंगे for tan 45 plus 30, this is going to be tan 45 plus tan 30 by 1 minus tan 45 into tan 30. tan 45 is 1, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, by 1 minus tan 45 is again 1 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So taking common denominator, this will be root 3 plus 1 by root 3 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. This root 3 will cancel. So the value of tan 75 has come root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So this we are going to apply in our equation of line. So y minus y1 is 2 root 3 is equal to m क्या था tan 75 which was root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. This multiplied by x minus x1, that is x minus 2. So cross multiplying, we will have root 3 minus 1 into y minus 2 root 3 is equal to root 3 plus 1 into x minus 2. So solving this, root 3 into y minus 2 into root 3 into 2 root 3, that is root 3 into root 3 will be 3. This, then minus y plus 2 root 3 is equal to root 3x minus 2 root 3 plus x minus 2. So let's solve it a bit further. Y wale terms we can collect together. So we have root 3 minus 1 into y minus 6 plus 2 root 3 is equal to x terms we can take together root 3 plus 1 into x minus 2 root 3 minus 2. Root 3 minus 1 into y minus root 3 plus 1 into x minus 6 plus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. So ये दोनों terms will remain the same. Let's solve a little bit of these terms. So इसको हम 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 को we can write it as 4 root 3 and minus 6 plus 2 can be written as minus 4. So the final equation can be written as root 3 minus 1 into y minus whole root 3 plus 1 into x plus 4 root 3 minus 4 is equal to 0. So hope you understood this.